Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to recover PayPal account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now, after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you already do not have a profile on this platform. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the home, we have the send, wallet, activity and help, we have the send and request buttons and a lot of different things here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and recover PayPal account. So first of all, what you need to do is go to PayPal homepage and click login. You'll have to go and log out of your account, where you will then just need to go and click on the login option, where you can of course log in with your credentials. Then enter your email address or mobile number associated with your account and select next. If you forget your email address, click on forget your email, ? And enter up 3 email addresses you may have used with PayPal. Click on forget password, ? And choose how you want to complete the security check. You may receive a text, a call, or an email with a 6-digit code. Enter the code and follow the instructions to reset your password. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.